Rico, where freedom ends a creed. B is for Brazil, with samba and speed. C is for China, with dragons that fly. D is for Denmark, where Hygge feels nigh. E is for Egypt, with pyramids so tall. F is for France, with its Eiffel call. G is for Greece, where myths are told. H is for Haiti, with stories bold. Travel the world from A to Z, cultures and wonders for you to see. Sing along, learn something new. The world is waiting to welcome you. I is for India, with spices so fine. J is for Japan, with cherry blossom time. K is for Kenya, with safaris so grand. L is for Laos, with temples that stand. M is for Mexico, with mariachis that play. N is for Norway, with fjords on display. O is for Oman, with deserts so wide. P is for Peru, where llamas reside. Travel the world from A to Z, cultures and wonders for you to see. Sing along, learn something new. The world is waiting to welcome you. Q is for Qatar, where skylines gleam. R is for Russia, with a snowy dream. S is for Spain, where flamencos sway. T is for Thailand, where elephants play. U is for Uganda, with forests so green. V is for Vietnam, where lanterns are seen. W is for Wales, with legends so old. X is for Zion, a port of gold. Y is for Yemen, with coffee so fine. Z is for Zambia, with waterfalls that shine. Travel the world from A to Z, cultures and wonders for you to see. Sing along, learn something new. The world is waiting to welcome you. From mountains to seas, from deserts to skies, cultures connect us, no need for goodbyes. Sing it again, let the journey replay. The ABCs of culture, here to stay.